In today's video, I will walk you through how to find Spotify user ID. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once Spotify is open, look in the top right corner and click your profile picture or your name. From the menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your public profile page. On your profile page, find the three dots for the More menu and click them. Then hover over Share and select Copy Profile Link. Your public profile link will now be copied to your clipboard. You may not see anything change on the screen, but the link is ready to paste. Next, paste the link somewhere you can clearly read the full address. You can paste it into a Notes app, a blank document, a message to yourself, or a new browser tab's address bar. Once you can see the full link, look for the part that contains user followed by a slash. Immediately after that slash, you will see a string of letters and numbers. That string is your Spotify user ID. If your link contains extra information at the end, look for a question mark followed by SI and additional characters. Your user ID is everything after user slash and before the question mark. If your link does not contain that extra information, your user ID is simply everything that appears after user slash until the end of the link. Once you have found it, select only the user ID portion and copy it. That is the exact identifier you can use when a service asks for your Spotify user ID. Keep in mind that your Spotify user ID is different from your display name. Your display name can include spaces or emojis and can be changed, while your user ID is the identifier shown in your profile link. To quickly review the process, open Spotify on your computer or use the Spotify web player. Click your profile picture or name in the top right corner, then select Profile. On your profile page, click the three dots, hover over Share, and choose Copy Profile Link. Paste the copied link somewhere you can read the full address. Find User, followed by a slash, then copy the string that appears immediately after it. If there is a question mark with extra information at the end of the link, stop before the question mark. If there is no extra information, copy everything after user slash to the end of the link. And that's how to find your Spotify user ID. Thank you for watching.